Good morning, student. This is class 7, and today we will study 7th chapter climate. Although the chapter's name is weather and climate, some topics of this chapter we have studied yesterday. So we study today about climate. First, we have well known about weather. The weather is the situation and condition of atmosphere each and every time. But climate is the average of weather. It is important to understand that there is a difference between weather and climate. Weather describes the variation which occur in the atmosphere daily basis, whereas climate is a measure of the typical weather found at a place for long period of time. Climate at any place mostly depends on temperature and precipitation, rainfall, snowfall, hail and mist. If it is found that the temperature at a place is high, most of the climate of that place is hot. If there is also heavy rainfall maximum period of the year, then the climate is said to be hot and humid. The climate of a place depends on the factors as distance from the sea. The sea affects the climate of a place. Coastal areas are colder and then island areas, clouds are found when warm air from the island areas, cool air from the sea. Temperature in the central part of any continent vary a large range. In the summer, temperature can be hot and dry as moisture from the sea evaporates before it reaches the central part of continent. Ocean currents. Warm ocean currents makes the climate warm and wet. Cool ocean current make the climate colder and dry. Direction of prevailing wind. The direction of the prevailing winds from the sea ocean side bring the coastal areas and dry weather to island areas. As a result, the climate of the areas near sea is moderate. Mountains, altitude. Climate is also affected by mountains. Mountains receive more rainfall, low-lying areas because the temperature on the top of mountains is lower and the temperature at the sea level. That is why you often see snow on the top of the mountain all year round. The higher the place is above sea level, the colder will be. This happens because as altitude increases, air becomes thinner and able to absorb only a small amount of heat. Distance from the equator. Distance from the equator affects the climate of a place. The equator receives more sunlight than anywhere else on earth. This is due to its position in relation to the sun. The equator is hotter because the sun rays fall on a lesser area. It is cooler at the north and south poles as the sun rays falls on a wider area. Natural vegetation, forests, and wetland areas contribute to the atmospheric vapor humidity through transpiration, leading to formation of clouds. Areas without vegetation experience less rainfall. human activities affecting climate. Human also affect the climate as large scale of cutting of trees. Trees take up carbon dioxide and produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Large scale cutting of trees will result in an increased amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causes an increase in the atmospheric temperature or global warming. Industrialization. Industrialization, heavy industrialization, transportation of goods, it etc. consume very large quantities of fossil fuels. The use of fossil fuels is responsible for increased carbon dioxide in the atmospheric, acid rain, and air, water, and soil pollution. Now, in next class, we will study climate in our country, and I advise you to learn.